Today we're making one of my favorites, a torta de Milanesa. This is a super hearty sandwich and it kind of feels like a Mexican take on the banh mi. Anyway, let's get started. We're gonna first pickle our carrot sticks with some oregano and vinegar and bring to a boil. Next, we're going to bread our very thinly sliced flank steak here with some egg yolk, plain breadcrumbs, and then you're gonna throw that into your saucepan with some neutral oil and fry till golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes per each side. And now let's assemble our sandwiches. So you're gonna take your bread, put on some mayo, refried pinto beans, slice up your steak into even strips, put that on there. Lettuce, tomato, of course your pickled carrots, some La Costeña sliced pickled jalapenos, avocado, crema, and top with the other slice of bread. This sandwich has all of the different flavors. It has that nice bite from the pickled carrots, and it really complements that nice crispy, salty flank steak. Put this into your sandwich rotation and enjoy.